Hey guys, it's Aaron with Joe's Game Electronics back with another Xbox repair video. And today we will be taking apart the Xbox Series S and replacing the power button PCB here. So let's say you push your power button too hard one too many times and it doesn't press no more. We'll show you how to fix that. So let's hop right into it. First, you're going to want to turn the console around, and you got these two little spots here. You're going to want to grab, I'm going to try this, and if this doesn't work, then I'll grab a little flathead. Yeah, that's not thin enough, so grab a small flathead. We'll use a 1.5 flathead here. And just get right under it. Be careful not to damage the unit here. But get right under these two. Once those two are set aside, we're going to grab our drill here that we have and unscrew these two screws here. Once unscrewed, put the screws to the side, flip the console on its back, and then you're just going to want to slide this off just like that. Pull up on it, it comes right off, put this to the side. Now you're exposed with a bunch of screws, but you're gonna have 2, 4, 6, 7 green screws. We're gonna unscrew the green screws. Those hold down the top cover and the main housing. So let's get to it. Once all of those are unscrewed, you're gonna wanna flip the console over one more time. And this time, you're gonna grab the console right here by these two ends and just pull up on it carefully. And as you pull up, you can remove that top cover. So a lot of the time what happens is when you push this one too many times, this is the power button, there's the back side of it. You push it one too many times on this power button PCB, you can break off one of these pins here. So, simple replacement. You grab the same drill bit you used to unscrew the bottom screws there, and you're going to unscrew this PCB here. Pop that off. We're going to grab a new one. We do sell some of the parts and service this unit on our website, joesge.com. And if you do not see the parts yet, you can contact us at support@joesge.com. We may be getting the parts soon. So you just unplug it, plug in the new one, screw it back in. Not much else you have to do with the console now. So grab this top cover. You're gonna want to, it's a little more tedious, but I usually put the top cover on its face down, then grab the console. And these are fairly flexible, so you can just mess around with them a little bit. So I had a problem with the casing, let me focus it in, not going in all the way. All you need to do is pull on it and just feed it right into the notch. There's two notches you want it in. There's this one that's not in the notch yet, just feed it right into the notch. All right, once you get that on, you're gonna flip the console back over on the back side. You're gonna drop these screws in, the long green screws. And screw them all back in. I just make sure everything's lined up now. Sometimes stuff will get in the way and these won't line up, so I confirm everything's lined up. Once it's screwed in, then you're gonna grab your cover again. You're gonna drop it in. There's a comfortable spot where it sits. You can slide it around and then slide it back in. Flip it on the back side, and you're gonna screw in the last two screws. And that is how you replace the power button on the Xbox Series S. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.